Nice. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Bam. Money, 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 money. Woo! That's it. Come on. Hang in there, baby. Hang in there. Woo! All right. All right. This is the deeper water. I expect bigger fish to be on this side, but we'll see. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I lost track already. Anyways, I think 5 or 6. This might be the biggest of the night by maybe 1 pound. There we go. There we go. I think this is going off too. Here we go. Bam! Double up, baby. Woo! Yes! We own, baby. Look at that. Look at that. This another one. Another one. Another one. Is he on there? Woo! Triple up. Someone talked about double and triple ups. I think we're on 2. It's on. It's on there. It's on there. Look at that. 4, 4, 4. Coming through, baby. Coming through. Let's go. Let's go. Woo! That's 3, baby. There you go. There's number 4 on here. Woo! Number 4. Wow. That's 4 fish in the boat. 4 fish, baby. Yes. 4 blues. These are the 2 bigger ones. This is over 10 pounds. 10 pounds, 8 pounds. Bam. Woo! Quadruple, baby. Yes. Back in the water. The 2 smaller ones. 3 pounds, 5 pounds, where I couldn't handle it. Awesome.